Welcome to FANfare Social Media. Today's demo is about our services area. This is the area in FANfare where we allow you to set up all your different social services, and it's very flexible and also very powerful. So let's take a look at how you do this. We're already in our services area and we're looking at our social selections. As you can see, we've got all the major social networks and even some variations of some of them. Facebook, Foursquare, LinkedIn, Twitter, of course, we've got all the major ones. Let's just take a look at one of them. Facebook fan page, just set up your information. You even get an example of what your post would look like going to that. Social network. Then we've got all of ours. By the way, if you had a social network that's not listed on here, you can just request it and we'll add it. You can set up your streams, which are basically going to allow you to see, without going into those accounts, what your Twitter stream is, or LinkedIn, Facebook, etc. You can set up all your blogs, selecting from all the major ones. We use WordPress. Got photo sharing for some of the major social photo shares out there. Monitoring is a very interesting and fun feature for looking for on all the social networks and blogs where your brand is being mentioned, so that you can track all those, as well as any comments that are being made, so you can engage them. It's also a great place to set up for reviewing and monitoring your competitors. Very powerful. And of course, we've got the major bookmarking social services. RSS feeds are great for setting up either for yourself industry information sites, or you can set up one of these posts, such as this one, which we have for our own setup, that forwards this onto our fan page. So now you can start sharing information that's important to your fans through trusted industry sources. And of course, we can do SMS, email, importing of all your contacts through a CSV file, or we can go to your various social media imports as well. Automation is some really nifty features in here for autoresponders, which are maybe kind of typical and common. But you can set up a Twitter welcome message that will automatically, even on a rotating basis, send out multiple selections of different material. You can do auto replies, so that based on keyword search criteria, when people are talking in their Twitter conversations, if they mention a certain keyword that you want, now you can engage them, send them a tweet with certain pieces of content. You can also set up multiple ones like that. Twitter auto follower is similar for selecting by criteria certain keywords if they mention it, and now you'll start following them. And as you probably know, about 40% of the people you follow will follow you back. So this is a way to continually, in an automated way, engage more followers. Somewhat controversial. Some people say you shouldn't use these, and that they can tell when you're not sending a direct response to them. So I'll leave that up to you. But certainly it's very effective in increasing your follower base. And then you can even select based on unfollowing people by certain criteria. Maybe if they don't have a certain clout score or a certain number of followers themselves. Also, maybe a little controversial. Some people say you shouldn't be doing this. It creates too much churn. But to be honest, unless you've got in the neighborhood of 100,000 followers, I don't think you're going to be creating much churn by doing this. It's more of a reasonable way to make sure that you're only following a targeted audience. And that's it for today for the Add Services feature. Once you've got that set up and selected the ones you want under your services, or I guess I should say under my services, it will then list what you've got set up for your social streams, blogs, your monitoring, your RSS feeds, and your automation setup. Thanks. Have a great day.